So hi Canva users, hope you all are good. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can remove this background from your logo. So it's like how you can make your logo transparent. So it's like you see this logo, it's like you can directly download it also, but the problem is when you insert it you see this white background there. And you want a solution like I want to make this logo transparent. So those users who have pro account, they can do it very easily. But those users who don't have this Canva Pro, then how they can do it? So it's very easy. We will make this logo transparent in very easy way. So first you have to download this. Simply in PNG format download it, no problem. You see this, it's downloaded. Now you have to visit this website. I've already tried it. I will show you again. Now this website will do your work in free of cost. Click on download. Now you see this without degrading the image, it's done. It's like it's in full HD. Though you see this, the logo is now transparent. So the solution is this website. You have to visit this website and this will turn your logo to transparent. And that's it, all done. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If this is, just give it a like and please subscribe my channel. That's it, thank you.